Welcome back, everybody. This is Jeff. Hey, just want to give you a little update on the F355 project here. Like I said, a few weeks back, we sent the heads out to machine shop, and they were reviewing what they needed and what needed to be done. So they finally gave us an answer on what we needed to buy and what parts we needed. So we made an order with Ferrparts this week, and so we've sent that out to Ferrparts. We got that finalized. So they'll be sending us new parts here in the next week or so once they get all the parts lined up that we need, because we've got quite a big list here. We need valves, a bunch of gaskets, and a few other things done. And then once we get the parts from them, the machine shop will have to work on the heads still and get those all squared away. So we're probably still a few weeks out before this thing starts going back together. But we're down to, like I said, waiting on parts right now. And we just did that this week with Ferrparts. So if you need parts needs, give them a call. They'll help you out. But anyway, that's what it's down to. We have to do a little bit more cleaning up on the motor here while it's sitting here. Like I said, there's not much going on other than that. There's really no other things that we really, like I said, it's all down to parts also on this. We've got a couple more mounts to change on this. The transmission mounts, that's kind of just tore apart, sitting there. I don't think we're going to do anything with the clutch at this time. So that's kind of like at a standstill also. Other than that, there's a few other things that we may order. But other than that, yeah, it's kind of at a standstill. We could clean up some stuff like the wheels and clean the car up and stuff like that. That all depends on what the customer wants to do. But other than that, we did check. If you haven't checked our other video, we did do a pressure check on the heat exchanger. So we did have a video on that. So if you haven't seen that, check that out. We'll see, how that works out. But like I said, we did a pressure check on it. Everything seemed fine. So I think we're going to go ahead and stick with that. I know a lot of people say, "Oh my God, you're reusing that," but like I said, you can change that at the end of the day without pulling the motor. And just keep an eye on all your fluids and that, you'll be all right. So other than that, check out our other videos that we've uploaded. Also, I've got an item here that was sent to me a couple weeks ago, FitcamX. So if you're needing a dash cam that shoots in 4K, easy installation, just give them a call or whatever. I'll have some links down at the bottom of my video that you can click on that, and then once you go to their site, you can order a camera there, put in our information that you see in the description below, and you'll get a discount. So anyway, check them out. And like I said, OEM fit. It's a really nice installation. Like I said, this is the bezel that came out of my 2023 ZR2 Colorado. And the camera here, if you haven't seen the other videos, it's locked right now. Let me get my key. Unlock it here. But yeah, it shoots in 4K. Really nice installation. Really looks like an OEM factory install. Fits real well. Like I said, good clarity on the camera. Shoots at a wide angle. So yeah, check it out if you need a dash cam. FitcamX, and like I said, see the links below. Use my code and in the description and order it. So keep tuned, and hopefully we'll have some parts here soon, and we'll start putting this motor back together. All right, we'll catch you later.